Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where it is late winter, it is gray, it is clammy. I don't think we're at 40 degrees. I'm going to be cleaning this cedar clapboard house here, and I wanted to just take a moment to make a quick video for the cleaners that are watching. You know, most of our industry is making its living by carpet bombing everything with chlorine, bleach, and soap, right? Soft washing. And that's fine for certain surfaces, painted or synthetic or non-porous surfaces. But in the world of cleaning bare wood surfaces, it's not about bleach. It's about things like sodium percarbonate. That's a real staple in the cleaning world that I live in. And that's what this video is about. I talked to a lot of the bleach guys that are trying to get familiar with cleaning with sodium percarbonate, and they're having a lot of trouble because it's not mixing right. They're having trouble because it's clogging up their pumps, it's clogging up their nozzles, and so on and so forth. So let's start at the beginning. I'm just going to show you how I mix a batch of sodium percarbonate. And I hope this helps somebody that's trying to get into this side of cleaning. This is an important part of the cleaning toolbox if you want to get into the world of cleaning bare wood surfaces. So never mind all my tanks, since I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm going to grab a trash can and I'm going to mix a batch in that. I'll pump it through a drop tube onto my my walls that I'm cleaning. I'll show you how I'm mixing this in the trash can, okay? 30-gallon trash can. It is clean. The ratio I'm going to use, and the ratio I almost always use, is about half a cup of sodium percarbonate powder to a gallon of water. So just because I've been doing this, I know that a 30-gallon tank is going to take about a gallon of powder, 4 quarts of powder. For those metric guys out there, good luck. Got my sodium percarbonate powder here. I'm going to measure out 4 quarts. One, 2, 3, 4. Now, from either the garden hose off the house or from my gravity drain off my tank, I'm going to fill this halfway full of just regular fresh water. All right, we're about halfway full, but even as I look closely, you can see a lot of grit in there. You can see the granular sodium percarbonate swirling around. So like I said, it's very chilly here today, and this water is basically ice water. So the first trick, so to speak, I'm going to use to thoroughly mix up my sodium percarbonate solution is I'm going to mix it or fill it the rest of the way by my power washer. So I'll hook it to my 8-gallon machine. I'm going to basically stick my wand in here with the fan tip, stick it in here, and it's going to be like a washing machine. This stuff's going to swirl around. It's going to get highly agitated. That's going to do a lot to thoroughly dissolve the sodium percarbonate. The other trick, so to speak, that I'm going to use right now, again because it's so cold, is I'm going to add to this mix of sodium percarbonate, I'm going to add about a cup of potassium hydroxide. I got to be careful when using this. I'm going to use my gloves. I got my eye protection. Potassium hydroxide isn't to be fooled around with, but it will help dissolve the sodium percarbonate powder, and it'll also help boost or activate the solution. So I'm going to get as much cleaning oomph out of it. That's a technical word, oomph. I'm going to get as much cleaning oomph out of it as I can in this cold setting here. So my 30 gallons or so is mixed about as well as it can be. Now I'm going to use it to clean this cedar siding. So there might be some folks who wonder, hey Nate, why don't you just mix it with warm water? You got the hot water machine. I didn't demonstrate that, although it would have been helpful. I didn't demonstrate that because a lot of folks don't have a hot water machine or hot water available to mix this. If I was going to use my machine, I still would have filled it halfway with cold water and then mixed it the rest of the way with warmer hot water, because I'd want the final solution to be warm, definitely not hot. So, hope that helps somebody. Happy cleaning.